Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with TurboTax credit card info security beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with TurboTax using your credit card information, begin by visiting the TurboTax website. Once on the home page, locate the login section. Enter your user ID and password to access your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by clicking on the Sign Up button. After logging in, navigate to the Payments section of your account dashboard. Select the option to add or update your credit card information. When prompted, enter your credit card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy to avoid any errors. Once your credit card details are entered, review the terms and conditions related to payment processing. If you agree, proceed by clicking on the Save or Continue button. You may be asked to verify your identity through a security question or by receiving a code via email or text. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. After successful verification, your credit card information will be securely saved in your TurboTax account. Always ensure that you log out of your account after completing your session, especially on shared devices. Regularly monitor your account for any unauthorized transactions. If you notice any suspicious activity, contact TurboTax customer support. This process not only helps you authenticate your account but also ensures the security of your financial information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.